How to see friends' location on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see friends' location on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the map icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the Snap map, here you'll be able to see the Bitmoji avatars of friends who share their location. So there you can just tap on your friend's Bitmoji to see their location and last updated time. And there you can even use the search bar at the top of the Snap map and type your friend's name or username to quickly find their location as well. And that's it. That's how you can see your friend's location on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.